Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Areeba drawing tutorials. Happy Ramadan to all. So let's draw my today's drawing. I am drawing a beautiful scenery. So take out your pencil, your foot and your page. I'm using a black pointer. You can also use a pencil. Now here at the right side I am drawing a small house, and above that I am drawing a coconut tree just like this. Draw with me. At the left side I am drawing another hut. I have drawn a straight line and I am drawing these on that line. Similarly on the left side, just a coconut tree above the house. And adjacent to that another coconut tree. Now drawing mountains in between these two houses and leaving some space for waterfall. Now I'm drawing the waterfall and giving some texture at the end as water is falling from it. Now drawing at the left side some boundaries. For the river in between. So all my viewers, thank you so much for coming on my video and watch my video till end, and